Hello everyone. This question appears in class 7th NCERT chapter of Exponents and Powers. This is first question of its exercise 13.1. So the question says that find the value of 2 की power 6, 9 की power 3, 11th raised to power 2 and 5 raised to power 4. So first 2 की power 6. So firstly हम इसकी expanded form लिख लेंगे. ये 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 1 2 3 4 5 6. सो वैल्यू फाइंड आउट करने के लिए हम इन्हें मल्टीप्लाई कर लेंगे. हो जाएगा 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16 to the 32 to the 64. सो 2 की पावर 6 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 64. सेकेंड 9 is to the power 3. सो हो जाएगा एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म हो जाएगी इसकी 9 into 9 into 9 is equal to 9 9s are 81, 81 9s are 729. Third 11 की पावर 2. सो हो जाएगा एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म हो जाएगी 11 into 11. सो हो जाएगा 11 into 11 121 and 4 part is 5 is to the power 4. सो एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म हो जाएगी इसकी 5 into 5 into 5 into 5. सो हो जाएगा हमारे पास 25 into 25 और 25 into 25 हो जाएगा हमारे पास 625. So that's our final answer. Thank you.